Hello, this is hopefully a quick demo about improvements to state handling in Cockpit machines related to the console. So, there's graphical console and the serial console, and I think the most impressive improvement is here with the serial console. So if you have some text here, I think, let's call it like this, but you do some work and have some content in your serial console. Then now if you expand this, for example, to have a better look, then you keep your content. That should be quite obvious, but previously this window would be cleared because we don't keep any copy of the text here anywhere. And this is technically a completely new display of this console. So now we have a way to keep this text and put it back here in this window also. This also works when you navigate away, work on some other machine maybe, and then you come back to this machine, and the serial console stays selected and the text is also back here. And it's also live in the background. If there would be new output coming in the terminal, it would all be captured and you could follow along here, or it would be here when you come back. So the same principle applies to other things like the selection, which one is current. Previously also it would switch back to graphical as soon as you go here on this list, and then you return to your machine, you would always be back on the graphical console, but now we keep whatever you have selected here. And for the graphical console, for example, when you expand this, then you can select what kind of scaling mode you want to have. The default is no scaling, but you can already see this is the local scaling. I've selected this here previously and it's still current. So if we go back to no scaling, for example, and then we compress, navigate away, do something else, click around, come back, and then expand again, then this setting is the same as earlier. So just to show that maybe, yeah, you get the idea. So now it's back on local scaling. Yeah, that's it already. Lots of plumbing for, I hope, welcome improvement. Thanks a lot.